Welcome to the FIGI Symposium 2019 here in Cairo, Egypt, where I'm very pleased to be joined in the studio today by Barbara Iyayi, who is the Chief Growth Officer, Managing Director of Africa for Element. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
Now, Barbara, perhaps you could tell us a little bit about Element and also what brings you here to this symposium.
Sure. Element is an AI company that deploys mobile biometric software. So we deploy this software to help our partners all over the world identify customers in different sectors: banking, telecom, healthcare. We work with governments. I'm here because I want to talk about digital financial services and how our software is helping to revolutionize that right now.
Now, an unintended consequence of a digital finance-led financial inclusion program is that it can lead to greater financial data inclusion, but not necessarily increase financial inclusion. I wanted to ask you if you agree with this statement.
Absolutely. I think there's a difference between, helping people actually obtain financial services and, having a lot of data about people and not using it in a way that gives people financial services. I think one of the important things to lift people out of poverty is to create products and services that make sense for them. Digital identity, which is really what the core of Element is about, is really to help partners, banks, anybody providing financial services to understand who that customer is and be able to provide products and services that make sense for them. That is truly financial inclusion in terms of giving people the opportunity to not just get affordable financial services, but get good quality financial services in an efficient way that makes sense for them.
I mean, what role can governments play, do you think, to enhance the usage of digital financial services at national level?
As I mentioned, digital identity is the foundation of a digital ecosystem. And I think governments can be bold in terms of creating digital databases, whether it's on a foundational level or on a functional level. A national ID system that's digital and has an API that companies and government services in the country can access in a digital way. Functional databases, so if you're a banking system or you're a healthcare system that serves that specific sector, but it brings that industry together to serve the banking world, to serve the healthcare world. If governments do that, that really can revolutionize that digital ecosystem. And suddenly you can start seeing more digital players coming in and doing what banks should be doing, what healthcare companies should be doing, and just providing better opportunities for their citizens.
Well, Barbara, thank you very much for joining us in the studio today, and we hopefully will catch up with you again some stage in the future.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Great. Thanks.